Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make my upside down bowl of renverse, which is very popular in Mauritius. I love this dish, and I hope you do. You do too. So let me take you to the ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need a lot of it. Let me start from here. We're gonna need some baby corn, and this is what I got that is already cut into small cube. You can get the whole one. We need some shrimp, we need some chicken. It's always bite-sized pieces, like cut them into small pieces. This is some ginger and garlic paste, but I crush them instead of paste them, so it's not watery. So I just grate them, both the ginger and the garlic, and it's about 1 tablespoon. We need some salt and pepper. We need baby bok choy, a lot of it. Over here we have some carrots cut into not too small pieces as we make noodles, a little bit bigger, some mushroom, some onion, and then some chili paste, dark soya sauce. We also need some cornstarch dissolved in water. Later we need some oil, and now I'm gonna take you to the stove so we can get started. Okay, this is a wok, a bigger size wok. I have about 3/4 cup of oil. I'm using sunflower oil that is preheating here over medium. Now I'm gonna add my chicken. I'm gonna add a bit of salt, black pepper powder. Salt and pepper is always to taste. You can add as much as you want. Just a little bit of the chili paste, and then a bit of dark soya sauce, not too much. I like to use the dark soya sauce because you just add a little bit and then it gives you colors and also taste. And the light one, you have to add a lot of it to get colors and taste, and it's salty as well, so make sure you don't add too much salt when you cook your chicken. Okay, so now we're gonna cook this chicken until completely done. Alright, the chicken has been cooked, and I'm gonna remove this onto a plate. We're just gonna set this on the side. Now to the same oil, I'm gonna cook my shrimp, and to the shrimp, all I'm gonna add is just a little bit, not too much, salt and pepper again, and that's it. We're just gonna let the shrimp cook, and you guys can see that when we have cooked the chicken in here, and with the soya sauce and everything, the chicken juice has been left in this oil, and you will see the shrimp gonna change color as well with this juice from your chicken, from the soya sauce. Okay, so now do not overcook the shrimp and the chicken as well. The chicken was overcooked. You just cook the chicken until tender, not overcooked to be rubbery. And then we're gonna remove the shrimp as well on the side. Okay, so now the shrimp has been cooked. It took me 3 minutes. Now we're gonna remove this and set this on the side as well. Okay, now to the same wok, same oil, add your ginger and garlic paste, or crushed or grated. And then next we're gonna add the onion. Let this cook for a bit. Now you can add a little bit of oil in here if you want to. Alright, 1 more minute. Next you're gonna add your carrots, and then we're gonna let this saute with the onion for a bit, for about 2 minutes, or maybe less, depending how high is your heat. You can turn your heat a little bit higher right now if you want to. Okay, now I'm gonna add the baby bok choy. that's a lot, but it's gonna be like a little after cook. I would say this is about 1.5 pounds. All right, now we're gonna give this a stir. We're also gonna add a little bit of, we have to season our food, our cooking process. Any step we make, we have to season each step a little bit, so each of your item, each of your ingredients can have seasoning. So now we're just gonna let this cook for a bit, just until the leaf gets softened a little bit, not too much. We're not gonna cook this to be too softened. I mean to say staying as is, but cook in the same time. Let me show you when we get there. Alright guys, now I'm gonna add my mushroom. You can really substitute mushroom to cabbage or bok choy to green pepper, bell pepper or capsicum. You can choose your veggies. Not necessary for you to use the same veggies that I'm using. I like to have some orange color like the carrots and the green. It looks just beautiful, it looks so pretty. So now we're gonna let this cook a little bit, but in the meantime I'm gonna add a little bit more of the sauce, the chili sauce, the chili paste, and a little bit of soya sauce. And then we're just gonna mix this. And let this cook for about 1 minute. Add your baby corn. Give this a mix. You can taste your salt at this point if you want to. If you need more salt, you can add, or you can add more soya sauce. I think this is a beautiful color, but you can add more if you want to. And now this is cornstarch or corn flour, dissolved with cold water, just tap running water. And then we're gonna add little by little until you get the sauce that you want. You can have more sauce, you can have less sauce. It depends on your mood, on your choice. How much sauce do you want? So just add little by little, and then we're gonna move forward. Now I'm gonna add my cooked chicken and also my cooked shrimp, and then we're gonna give this a stir for half a minute and then heat off. Alright guys, I'm gonna add some green onion onto my chopped soy, my boule renversée, and then we're just gonna mix this. You just put this on the side. Alright, give this a good mix. Okay guys, I have my sauce ready, my chicken, shrimp, my chopped soy kind of sauce is ready. For my boule renversée, my bowl is here. I have a plate under it. I have my cooked rice, my fried egg. You can use as many egg you want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 egg in the bottom. Let's put the yolk, the yolk to show on top when we're gonna flip the bowl. Put this on a side, and then next you're gonna put your sauce. All right, be generous. Okay, I'm gonna put some carrots. Okay, that is good. And now we're gonna top this with the cooked rice. I'm using basmati. You can use any rice you want, just plain rice. And as you're adding your rice to this, you have to press it down too, so it can stick to the sauce. When we're gonna flip this on the plate, it's gonna stay as a shape of the bowl. So just keep pressing and fill it to the top. And now you're just gonna put your plate over and then flip your bowl, and that's it. And here you have your upside down bowl. Now if you want to, you can add more egg on top. If your family member like more egg, you can add more egg. It really depends. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. Go ahead, try this. I'm gonna put the ingredient list down below in the description box in English and French, so you all can enjoy my channel, my recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.